Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's session is probably will be 60 minutes. It can go longer based on the how engaging you are. You can ask the questions as well. So I want to introduce Najib. He will be your coach today. Basically, Najib was our student last year, July. Najib actually came, I think someone referred him or somehow. He said, what should I do? How long it will take? And then all the good stuff. I said, if you join, you have to forget everything else in life. That's number one. You have to day in, night, you have to work hard on it. I think he has listened. So you want to share, we want to know his journey. At the same time, he will be sharing his journey, some of the best practices for you, some of the warning for you, some of the tips for you. So it is a combination of the happy path, non-happy path, the sweet news, sour news. You always need the both side of the story. You do not need only the happy story, and that is too fake. Okay, so we want to make sure that it should be organic, it should be real. The first of all, congratulations, Najib. Najib actually is joining the federal contract job as the DevOps engineer. Of course, we'll be learning more details. The so things just worked out. His brother joined with him, but guess what? He was like this. Brother was like this. The brother is coming back again. Again, brother sometimes pay a lot of money for the house. Najib probably did not pay that much, so Najib was active. But again, some people is very active, like in the game. There is no other in between. And some people ups and down, in and out. So this is just the life. This is just the people nature. Without any delay, we are very proud of Najib. We are very happy with Najib. I can tell you one thing. After the interview, Najib said he was not happy. He was sad. He said, I don't think I will get the job. I said, don't worry about it. You got it. Let's see how it works. Even in the interview, they kind of give some clue that they're not going to offer him. Or they gave some, whatever it's called, some tips like, well, we'll get back to you if the position open. And it took only a couple of days that he got the offer. So without any delay, as Najib, go ahead, please introduce yourself, your way.
Yeah, thank you, Shiblu, for that introduction and just in general about everything. Yeah, my name is Mohammed Najib, and I've been with TS4U for it feels like forever because I still remember the first day I met Shiblu. I remember the first time he mentioned it was someone that referred me. No, actually I kind of just found out about TS4U
Oh,
just by like a quick Google search. I was searching up like, ways to get into this field, ways to learn IT, to get into the IT field. And yeah, and then one of the first, quick Google searches pop up was TS4U. And then, I decided to give TS4U a call, and then Shiblu automatically answered. And he was very, very helpful from the beginning. He told me straight up, don't even, we don't even have to talk on the phone. What you should do is you should just come straight to my office. And then we set up a time, and then yeah, I came straight to his office, and then he kind of gave me a rundown about, all the programs. And then, the one we actually decided was the DevOps program. And, ever since then, I think the same day I applied for, the loan for the boot camp. And, ever since I first met him, I just knew it would work out. He told me kind of from the beginning, if it's something that, you're committed to, and not just in the boot camp, right? If you're committed you're just committed to anything generally in life, you can accomplish anything you want. So from the beginning, since I talked to him since day one of the boot camp, he's been with me, from the very beginning, not even, it's not like he was like holding my hand through the whole journey, but he was helping me, get to where I want. He always kind of reminded us, you can, we can do everything we can as the TS4U team, but if you yourself are not committed and willing to be excellent, then we can't take you anywhere. And that's just in general in life, right? Like if you're not committed yourself, there's other people along the journey that will help guide you. But if you're not committed 100%, then at the end of the day, you won't be able to achieve any goal you want. So, that's something where at the first day I was with I joined TS4U, they treated me like a family, and it has been like a family. Shiblu is like family to me. He makes it clear that you are just not a student of his boot camp. He truly does treat you like family. There's been times where um, he's been over to my house. He's invited me over to his house. But yeah, TS4U is just kind of basically literally like my family. And as he mentioned, I definitely will explain the ups and downs throughout the whole journey, because now it kind of seems like, oh, he got a good paying job. It must have only been ups. But yeah, like he mentioned, I will like definitely explain, my whole journey through this, the ups and downs, the good, the bad, the ugly, the pretty. But overall, yeah, it's just been an amazing journey. And joining TS4U has been one of the literally the best decisions of my life, and it has changed my life in so many ways.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.